Hola amigos, welcome back to my Spanish classes. I'm your Spanish teacher Ahmed. Today we are going to learn the difference between the verbs meter and poner. Meter and poner have very similar meanings, but there is a difference as to when we use which one. I'm going to explain this to you and the usage of these two verbs, their conjugation in the present tense, and a few examples. Let's begin the class, my friends. Okay, first, meter. What does meter mean? Meter means to put something inside another thing. When you put something inside something else, we use meter. Okay, it also means to insert something inside something else. Okay, that's the meaning of meter. What does poner mean? Poner means to put something on a surface, on something, not inside something. Okay, poner is used in more general terms. Okay, like some examples. Okay, to put condiments in food, on food, to sprinkle something on food, to put ice in a drink. Okay, things like that. We use poner. Okay, so the conjugation of meter first. Meter is a regular verb. Conjugation of meter in the present tense: yo meto, tú metes, él mete, usted mete, nosotros metemos, ellos meten, and ustedes meten. It's a regular verb. It has a simple conjugation. Okay, now poner. Poner is a go verb. Okay, in the yo formation it's irregular. Okay, verbs that end in go in the yo formation are called go verbs. Okay, poner is a go verb. Yo pongo. Then the rest are regular. Tú pones, él pone, usted pone, nosotros ponemos, ellos ponen, and ustedes ponen. Okay, now some examples with meter and then with poner. Okay, let's start with meter. Okay, meto mis libros en la mochila. Okay, meto mis libros en la mochila. I put my books in my backpack. Okay, meto mis libros en la mochila. Voy a meter el dinero en mi bolsillo. Voy a meter el dinero en mi bolsillo. I'm going to put the money in my pocket. No metas tus cosas en mi cajón. No metas tus cosas en mi cajón. Okay, don't put your things in my drawer. Okay, cajón is a drawer. Okay, so no metas tus cosas en mi cajón. Now some examples with poner. Pon el vaso sobre la mesa. Okay, pon is the order formation in two for the verb poner. Put. Pon el vaso sobre la mesa. Put the glass on the table. Okay, me pongo nervioso antes de los exámenes. Me pongo nervioso antes de los exámenes. I become nervous before the exams. Now here poner is being used like to become. Okay, me pongo nervioso, or I get nervous. Okay, another example: ¿Cuántos kilos te pongo? ¿Cuántos kilos te pongo? This is generally what a salesman in a grocery shop will ask you. ¿Qué te pongo? Okay, what shall I give you? What shall I put for you? Okay, ¿Cuántos kilos te pongo? How many kilos shall I put? Okay, how many kilos shall I give you? How many kilos shall I put for you? Okay, one more example. Pon los libros en mi escritorio. Or sobre mi escritorio. Okay, this n means like on. It doesn't mean inside. Okay, so pon los libros en mi escritorio, or pon los libros sobre mi escritorio. Put the books on my desk. Escritorio means desk. Okay, libros are books. Sobre means on. Again, sobre has various meanings. I think we've done a class on sobre. Sobre can mean apart from on. Sobre means about as well. Okay, sobre can mean an envelope also. It's a noun also. Okay, my friends, so this was our short class of today, describing the differences and the usage of the verbs meter and poner. Thank you for watching my class. I request you to kindly subscribe to my channel. Please help me to reach my target of 1000 subscribers, Keep watching my classes, learn Spanish. It will open many new doors for you. Spanish is a very simple language. Thank you, my friends. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.